If you are tired of running out of credits on other AI video generators, stop scrolling. I've found a tool that is not only cheaper than the biggest names out there, but finally lets you generate unlimited videos without paying extra. DomoAI has just released a major new model update called Nano, and the focus is improved consistency and character animation. One of the key upgrades is character to video, where you upload a character image and a reference video, and the character follows the motion much more accurately than before. What's important isn't just the output, it's that DomoAI is clearly investing in modern level improvements that solve one of the hardest problems in AI video: keeping characters stable and recognizable across frames. So this is the reference video that I'm going to be using. I will want my character to mimic the movements of the girl in this video. So let's take a quick look. So as you can see, nice, simple 10-second video of a girl with some nice movement. And this guy right here, he is the character that is going to be mimicking the girl's movements. So those are the reference video I've chosen, and that is the character that I've chosen. So when you're on here, you just upload the reference video, you upload your character, and the prompt is, can you get my character, the bear, to mimic the movement of the girl in the video, please? And I just make sure that the time is set to 10 seconds, and then I just go ahead and click generate. Okay, cool. So let's take a look at the final product. So as you can see, the bear is mimicking the movements of the girl in the original video, which is what I asked for. So couldn't be happier with what they've produced here. One of the biggest advantages of DomoAI is it offers relax mode, and this is something most creators immediately understand once it's explained. In many AI tools, you're here to pay, more every experiment, and it costs more credits, so you feel rushed. Relax mode removes that pressure by allowing unlimited generations, meaning you can test, iterate, and explore ideas freely. This is especially valuable for learning, for prompt testing and creative experimentation without constantly watching your credit balance. When you compare DomoAI to tools like Kling, the value difference becomes quite clear. Kling's pricing tiers get expensive quickly, especially once you start generating upscale. DomoAI takes a different approach. You get access to more creative features and unlimited generations through relax mode at a much lower price point. This makes DomoAI far more practical for creators who want to experiment, learn, and produce content consistently without worrying about cost every time you click generate. Alongside the newer features, DomoAI still offers video-to-video, restyling, which lets users transform existing footage into styles like anime, 3D, or illustration. The key advantage here is simplicity. You don't need advanced editing skills or complex timelines. You upload a video, select a style, and the system handles the transformation, even without focusing on final results. This remains one of the easiest entry points for creators looking to experiment with animated styles quickly. We also offer talking avatars that bring static images to life using realistic lip sync technology. Viewers retain full commercial rights to everything they generate, and the platform works seamlessly across both Discord and the web app. So start creating for free right now. Click the link in my bio and use my code AICCNVRD to receive a special bonus and try it out yourself.